Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff from SHEIN. Now, SHEIN has a program called Free Trial, where they basically send you clothes for free. And in turn, what they ask you to do is that they ask you to give an in-depth review for that product. So this helps them and you get free stuff for it as well. But the thing that you have to know is that this free trial program isn't available for everyone. It's only available for certain regions, and even then, you still have to apply. And then after applying, you will need to get picked, and then you can get the free stuff sent to you. And then even after that, you still have to write an in-depth review. But if you're still interested, you just have to log into SHEIN, and you have to go to your account here, and on account, go to my profile, wait for it to load, and on my profile, the free trial section is usually in the other surface section here. But as you can see, unfortunately, I don't have the other surface section available to me right now, so I can't use the free trial. But if you are lucky enough to get to the free trial program, it will be in the other surface section here. If you find it, you just have to apply and then have to wait for the approval, and then you'll get your free stuff sent to you on SHEIN. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.